Good morning, hello Carver. Yes, it's break time now. So, ah, dahil gumawa ako ng avocado smoothie. Yes, and it's avocado and with almond milk and ice and water. That's it. And so this is my baon and this is my breakfast. So this is bread is sourdough. It's a probiotic, so I will eat this on moderation. And I have here hot dog, eggs. Yeah, I bring 2 eggs. I eat one now. And yes, I have after my meal, my lunch, I have lemon. And tikman natin tong sourdough kasi ang sarap. Crunchy pa. Mm. Tapos, with cheese, no? Ang sarap. Mm. After na yun, pasok na ako, pero ang lakas talaga ng bomb kaninang 11 a.m. And uminginig yung building namin. So, ingat lang tayo. Always be safe and stay local. Bo apati. Pa. This is all my baon. And this is the cheese. No, salted cheese. Kaya, enjoy lang kahit something happen. Enjoy your day because day is a gift.